Welcome back to your channel Ray of Hope. Thank you for being with us. We are moving towards our practical session and we recently completed our HTML injection. Today we're going to talk about command based injection. So basically, what do you mean by command based injection attack? When I talk about command based injection, I talk about it is one of the popular vulnerabilities, right, which allows an attacker to perform operating system command attack, okay, or you can say operating system command based attack or injection, right, that is running the application, okay, basically. And when I talk about command based injection, it also allows an attacker to fully compromise the application if this vulnerability is there in the system. Moreover, it also allows to execute command on the server side, right? That means if it is letting you to execute command based injection on the server side, that means we can also see password, right? We can see files, we can delete the file, we can modify the file. Moreover, we can also perform or we can get reverse sales connection as well, or you can say RDP we can perform. This is basically about command based injection. You did not get it, is it? Okay, let me just go ahead and perform it practically and demonstrate it in a visual way that may give you more understanding about it. Okay, just a moment. Suppose if I talk about this, okay, this is the website search engine. Okay, so basically what I'm gonna do over here, this is one of the search engine, right? And there is a some file name, you can say like this. It has this website contains file in a txt format, right? You can just say like txt txt format. Okay, my writing, let me just write it, that would make sense, right? It contains, and basically suppose if you are trying to learn about command based injection, right, or story, so what we have to just search command based injection attacks. So you just did a search for command based injection, okay. So in a background, what will be running in back, I mean, you just search and you got the output, right? You got the one txt file from here, and you can now read it, right? But in background, what will be running? Basically in background, suppose there will be a command called cat, okay. So basically in background this will be running cat, and then you can say command based injection attacks.txt. So in background this will be running, right? But now this is the attacker, right? Attacker, he is attacker. What he gonna do, he will try to compromise the system, okay. Okay, so what he, oh holy shit, see. So what he gonna do, he will try to see if this website has the vulnerability called command based injection or not. For that, what he gonna do? Instead of this, what he will be doing, just let me use the eraser. 1 second. Okay, so let me erase it. Okay, so now instead of putting normal story or text or write-up, what he gonna do? He will try to put like this: write-up, write-up or story. I mean, we are just trying to be, instead of putting a long name, we are just making it short. Okay, it is not like that. You can put like this only. You can just put anything. Okay. Okay. So write-up, what he will be doing then? Who am I? Basically, now if I put this over here, so now in background what will be running? I mean, first, what exactly means actually? Write-up, the server will be executing this. Okay, the server will be executing this, I mean this write-up a story, and then the server will be executing this as well. And what this semicolon stands for? Basically, it is separate. It used to separate two commands, right? So it's just a basic. Okay, so now the server, if the server is executing both, now what will be the command actually? The command will look like, the command will look like who am I? Now this would be the command actually. And what would be the output looks like? The output looks like this. First will be, B will be getting this. 1 second. Yeah, B will be getting this. Okay, but at the bottom or anywhere on the system, B will be getting this as well. Root, right? Basically, what does that mean stands for? Who am I? It is showing the name name that execute, right? Which execute this. Okay, so suppose if we are putting, it could be like it is not obvious that we will be getting the root. It could be we will be getting the name that execute the command as well. Suppose it could be RayofHope as well, right? So if we are able to get it, that means the website is vulnerable for command based injection. For more, we will like doing practical in upcoming 2 or 3 videos. This is just to have to understand the scenario behind the command based injection, that how does this work, right? And how it impacts on the website, right? Basically, if website is not filtering, right, then definitely, like if it is not filtering like which command is getting executed, right, that means it will lead to command based injection attack, right? And that should not be there. And if not only who am I, but you can perform several command, like suppose I can perform over here. I can perform like ping. I can perform ping IP address 192.168.1. I mean anything like that. Like okay, so we will be performing. We can use bias hack to understand the traffic, and then we can perform multiple attacks. Right. All you need to now to understand the fundamental behind the command based injection. If you'd have any question, feel free to comment, and I would be happy to help you. Thank you.